Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So let's check. Let's see kung sino ba ang nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, we have here our protection from evil eye. We have here love bracelet, pwede yun sa singles and pwede yun sa may mga kakomplikadong, sobrang komplikadong mga sitwasyon sa love, okay, and sa mga karelasyon. And yung ating granter necklace, yan. Okay, will help you grant, will help you manifest faster, mga ganyan. And yes, nakakapag-manifest ito ng para sa'yo. Okay, kahit hindi mo i-wish. Yes, alam niya yung dapat na meron ka. Alam niya yung dapat na meron sa'yo. Okay, and yung ating cord cut, pang cord cut, okay, napaka-important nito para sa iba. Oo, yan ang palaging itinatanong sa akin. So, yes, nag-provide na tayo, no? So, yeah. Kung may tanong pa, just message me sa akin pong FB page, okay? So, it's Fias Tarot. So, tingnan lang ninyo yung followers. Makikita nyo naman na nasa 50 plus na tayo, 50k. Okay? Anyway, so again, please check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node kung alam po ninyo. Okay, so who is stalking you? Let's see. Let's start with Aries placements. Sino nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Okay, who's stalking you? Aries placements. The King of Chalices. What's with this King of Chalices? Oh, the Six of Pentacles. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng earth sign. Napaka-generous ng taong to. Some of them, they have emotion. Pagdating sa'yo, they're in love. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. I don't know, something. Meron tong binibigay sa'yo. Okay? Iba dito, may chance na gusto niya ng forgiveness, something like that, or another chance. What's with the Six of Pentacles? The Six of Wands reversed. May pagkaseloso siya actually. Selosa. Okay? Siya yung taong gusto niya palagi nasa sa kanya yung attention mo. Yeah. They want your attention. This person wants your attention. Andun, nakakakuha ko ng energy ng obsessed. Okay? They're really into you. Gusto ka nitong taong to. Yeah, the Knight of Chalices. Kung ito is a past person, ayaw nito na mapupunta ka sa iba. Pwedeng may chance na nakikipagbalikan to. Okay? So, yun yung mga energy ng taong nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon. Okay? So, the King of Chalices. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Lagi itong nagbibigay. Bigay. Some of them, napaka-generous. Okay? Yeah, pwede may nangyaring issue sa inyo sa past if ever. Iba sa kanila po, may energy rin dito na pwedeng meron sa side niya or sa part niya, sa past niya, may something na may nangyaring ending or separation. That's so specific. Okay? So, yeah. They want your attention. They want to get your attention. They want you. They like you. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa taong nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. So, for me, some of them, sabihin nating may issue pagdating sa kaperahan sa ngayon. Okay? Or sabihin nating parang sabihin parang hindi niya na-manage ng tama yung pera niya sa ngayon. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, Aries. We have here fire, earth, water. Next, Taurus. So, sino ba itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon, Taurus? Sino itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Okay, sino? Again. Okay, hindi ko tinatanggap ang dahilan na naka-block po ako sa FB. Tandaan po ha, hindi lang naman po yun ang way para ma-stalk. Okay, so Taurus, who's stalking you? Who is this person? Who are they? The Devil in reversed? Pwedeng Capricorn. What's with them? The Eight of Chalices in reverse. Someone from your past. Okay, someone from your past. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. The one na pwedeng hindi kayo nagko-communicate sa ngayon. So, maybe some of you, you're in no contact with this person. Andun yung parang nilet go ka. Andun yung energy ng panghihinayang ng taong to. Pagdating sa'yo, they're stalking you. I don't know kung bakit. Okay? What's with this Eight of Chalices in reverse? The World in reverse. So, some of them, nandyan yung panghihinayang dahil hindi natuloy yung inyo. Kung ano man. I think, this is an energy from your past person. Okay? Parang andito yung sinukuan or sumuko. May something na ganon sa past. Merong unfinished business for some of you. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Maybe, lalo na kung ikaw Taurus ha, alam sa sarili mo may pera ka. Ang laki na panghihinayang nito, kung sino man to, your past person. Okay, they see you as someone who's so, sabihin nating, lahat-lahat na. Oo. Ayoko magsabi ng napaka-specific. Pero, yeah, they see you as someone who is so stable. Okay? Stable. Yeah. See, the Lovers. Parang feeling ko, no, yung taong ito, ang laki ng panghihinayang sa'yo, actually. Super duper. In general, yung mga nag-i-stalk sa'yo, may mga panghihinayang, okay? May mga unfinished business. Yeah. Pwedeng may mga issue na dapat na-fix, pero hindi na-fix. Okay? So, this is telling me energies coming from the past eh. Puro past. Yeah. Some of you, you're stalking someone. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, ikaw yung nag-i-stalk sa kung sino. Hindi ka lang makagawa ng action towards them. Maybe. You're attracted. Pagdating sa taong tong ini-stalk mo, you're attracted. Whether it's a male or female, kung ano man ang gender niya, you're attracted. Okay? Anyway, so kung sino man tong nag-i-stalk sa'yo, ang laki ng panghihinayang nila. Alam nila kung ano yung nawala. Alam nila kung ano yung nasayang nila. Wow. So we have here Virgo, Taurus, Libra, fixed sign, water, and Capricorn. Next, Gemini. Okay. So, Gemini placements. Who's this person stalking you? Who is this person stalking you? Narinig ko right now. Who's stalking you right now? Okay. So, again, hindi dahilan ang block pagdating sa FB. Ay, di na po ako ma-stalk niya. Naka-block na po ako eh. Or binlock ko na. Okay? Hindi lang yun ang way. Okay? So, Gemini, who's stalking you? Yeah. You have a big stalker. They watch you like a hawk. They're watching you heavily. Yeah, the Page of Swords in the reversed. Someone who is younger maybe. Yeah. What's with this Page of Swords in reversed? Pwedeng air sign like you. The Star. In general, people admires you. Okay? Yeah, they admire you. The Star. You're like a star, maybe. Pwedeng aqua. They admire you. From afar, maybe. Yeah, the King of Wands. They see you as someone who is so, sabihin nating, attractive. Okay? People see you. Na napaka-attractive. Mapababae ka man, lalaki man, kung ano man ang gender mo. Yeah. They admire you. People admires you. Specific. Let's see. Anong meron? Who is this Page of Swords in reversed? So, kung sino man to humahanga sa'yo, hinahangaan ka niya passionately. Maybe some of them, they like your looks. Okay? Your looks. No, the King of Chalices. Some of you, hindi lang to talagang attraction. May emosyon dito. Okay? Some of you, there's the same gender. Pwedeng ka-gender mo. We have here the King of Swords. Yeah, King of Chalices, King of Swords. Maybe, sabihin nating mapababae, mapalalaki na admire ka. I don't know how. I don't know why. Maybe, sa looks, kung anong nagagawa mo, they see you as the star. Okay? You're getting a lot of attention. Maybe. The Star. What's with this? The Star. The Five of Chalices. The Lovers. You have energy from the past. Okay. Your ex. Maybe. Still stalking you. Anyway. Ang dami nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Ang daming energy. Yeah. May mga taong gustong kumonek. Iba sa inyo talaga may mga binlock ka na. Okay? Yung mga binlock mo, pwedeng gumagamit ng, sabihin natin, yeah, the Tower. Sabihin natin, hindi mo inaasahan na mga, I don't know, like dummy account. Maybe they're using dummy account or something lang na pwedeng may maririnig ka from that specific person na pwedeng tinatanong ka. Mga ganun, nakikibalita. Yeah, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, this is your energy, the Lovers. You attract people, no? You attract energies. Anyway, so we have Gemini, a fellow Gemini, a water sign, an Aqua, Pisces, and air sign. Okay, next. Cancer. So, Cancerians. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cancer, who is this person stalking you? Sino tong mga nag-i-stalk sa'yo, Cancer? Okay, let's see. Some of them pwedeng nilayuan mo or nilayuan ka. Holding back. Where are they? Yeah, the Two of Wands in reversed. Fire sign. Who is this? What's with this Two of Wands in reversed? The Two of Pentacles. The indecisive one. The indecisive one. The one na pwedeng napaka-unsure. Aloof. And the Ten of Wands. Pwedeng may pag-drop dito. They're giving you maybe mixed signals. Okay, some of you. Hot and cold. Yeah, ganun yung energy nila. Maybe some of them, sabihin nating maraming mga ginagawa and hindi nila may focus ng sa'yo lang yung attention niya. Okay? Masyadong busy itong taong to, I think. Fire, Earth. The Six of Swords. Some of you are dealing with two people. Or maybe this person is dealing with two people. Okay, some of them, they're like a part of your past. Yeah, past. Yeah, the Magician. Some of you, pwedeng they have control over you, I guess. Or hindi lang talaga sila open sa'yo. Pero parang natatangay ka lang na natatangay ng taong to. I don't know why are they stalking you. Someone na hindi available for you 24/7. But still, yeah, hindi sila nawawala sa energy mo. Okay? The one na kailangang mamili. Yan, may mga ganyang energy. Yeah, the 5 of Cups. The 2 of Swords. So we have here angel number 222. Decision. Okay, decision. Some of you, they want communication with you, or maybe you're in a communication with this person. Somebody is too busy pagdating sa work, career, something like that. They stalk you. Okay, anyway, so there we have earth, air, fire. Gusto ko malaman, why are they stalking you? Why are they stalking you? The 4 of Chalices in reversed. Death. Ayaw nila na malalayo ka sa kanila totally. Like, yeah. They want communication. I think. Something na gusto lang may malaman lagi pagdating sa'yo. Kaya ganun. I don't know why. They want to control you. They want control over you. They want you. Yeah. They like you. Pero hindi nila kayang gumawa ng decision. Kung ano man. Next, Leo. Leo placements. Okay. Let's see who's stalking you right now. Who's your stalker, Leo? Who is your stalker? The Emperor? Some of you, ini-stalk ka ng boss mo. Okay. Yeah. What's with that Emperor? Some of you, pwedeng ini-stalk ka ng mga kasamahan mo sa workplace. Okay. The Magician in reverse. The one who's controlling you. Some of you, itong taong to is ma-ego at ma-pride. Okay. You're guarded, actually. Pwedeng Virgo. We have Aries here. What's with this Magician in reverse? The 10 of Wands. Itong taong to, kunyari nagmamatigas-matigasan sa'yo. Yeah. But yeah, they're concerned. Kaya kanila ini-stalk or still humahanap ng way para malaman kung anong meron sa'yo. Yeah. Ito yung taong parang feeling mo dinadrop ka or parang walang pakialam. Yes. There's this subtle sign, subtle action movement na pwedeng ibinibigay sa'yo itong taong to. Okay? The Emperor. Yeah. The 2 of Pentacles. Hindi sila like straightforward kung anong meron. Okay? Andun nga kasi they're guarded. Ayaw nila makikita mo kung ano talaga yung emosyon, kung anong meron sa kanila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands Universe, yeah, they're stalking you. Concern, pero hindi nila pinapakita. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng magulang mo to. Okay? Parang, okay, sige, bahala ka sa buhay mo kung yun ang gusto mong gawin. Someone na pwedeng in-ignore mo sa past. Okay? Pero, yeah, andyan din yung pagmamatigas nila pagdating sa'yo. For you to learn. Pero, yeah, andun pa rin yung energy ng concern. Actually. Okay? So, there. We have here fire, earth, Virgo, and Aries. Okay, next is Virgo. Hi Virgo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Who's this person stalking you? Who's your stalker, Virgo? Okay. The Ten of Chalices in reversed. Some of you, mga kamag-anakan na malalayo, mga ganyan, or something, may mga issue. Some of them, they have abandonment issue. Okay, some of them, they're sad, actually. They have family problems, maybe family issues, mga ganyan. Okay, you're the Ten of Swords. Oh! Some of you, this is a person from your past na pwedeng may nangyaring, sabihin nating false start with you. There's, yeah, the Ace of Wands. Yeah, the Strength in reverse. May nangyari ditong false start. Something lang na pwedeng, akala mo may mangyayaring, sabihin natin connection, maybe. Or may mag-start. Or may magsisimula. Dapat noon. Pero hindi nangyari. Hindi natuloy. Kinulang. Sa action. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Pwedeng nakasama mo to sa isang environment. Pwedeng sa mga pinupuntahan mo. Okay? May nag-end. Biglaan. This person likes you. They like you. They like a connection. Some of you, ito yung energy ng parang crush, infatuation, something like that. Okay? Yeah, yun. Wala pang love actually. That's infatuation for me. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. Walang nangyaring, maybe some of you wala rin kayong connection or communication nga sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah, the Judgment in reversed. Walang gumawa ng action sa inyo. Okay? Sa past. This is past. Yeah. Kung iba sa inyo, alam nyo sa sarili nyo na meron kayong something ngayon. Like currently, merong ginugusto, meron kang ginugusto, or feeling mo gusto ka, pero walang nangyayari sa inyo. Walang action na nangyayari, walang ganap. Then, yeah, they're stalking you. They are stalking you. Okay? Iba sa inyo, tingin mo sa kanya isang threat. I don't know why. That's why you avoided. Yeah, you avoided maybe this person sa past. You avoided them. Maybe you ignored them. That is why they like you. They like you. Maybe infatuated. Feeling infatuated. Hindi empacho. Okay, so yeah, walang nangyaring something sa inyo. I think this is like hindi romantic, platonic, I think. Okay, so there. So we have here air, water, or I don't know, air, water, and fire. Next, Libra. Okay, Libra placements. Hi. Okay, so let's see who's your stalker. Who's your stalker, Libra? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who's stalking you? Pwedeng malayo sa'yo tong taong to. Dumistansya maybe. Or pwedeng they're aloof, acting aloof maybe, or indecisive. They're trying to avoid you. Some kind of. Okay, let's see. Libra. Libra stalking you right now. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. They have sabihin nating money issue. Okay, they have money issue. Stubborn. Yeah. Why? What's with this Knight of Pentacles in reverse? Temperance in reverse. Yeah. They have anger issue, like hot-tempered, something like that. Pwedeng Earth sign and Sagittarius. Judgment. Naging impatient ka pagdating sa kanya, Libra, actually. Naging impatient ka. Naghintay ka ng something from this person pero hindi mo nakita. Hindi mo nakuha, hindi mo nahintay, or maybe nawala na lang ito bigla. Okay? Naging impatient ka. Kasi may hinihintay kang something from them. They're stalking you. I don't know why. Yeah, the Page of Wands. I think attracted sa'yo tong taong to. I don't know why, kung bakit hindi ka, or bakit hindi ito gumawa ng action towards you. Okay? Why? Yeah, the High Priestess. Naging tahimik lang sila eh. Some of them, they're a loner. Okay? They're a loner or antisocial. Introvert. May pagkaganon yung person. Okay? Bakit ba hindi ito gumawa ng way? They like you though. Okay? Let's see. The Star. Hopeless. Hindi sila ganun ka-hopeful pagdating sa situation, maybe. Okay? And then I have Swords in reverse. Actually, hindi ka pa nito nalilimutan hanggang ngayon. Yes, sabi ko nga, ini-stalk ka eh. Younger. Maybe younger. Age difference. Age gap. Itong taong to, pinakita niya sa'yo na hindi siya interested sa'yo. Pero yes, they are interested. Okay? They are interested. Hanggang ngayon. Kung pinapakita nila na parang napakasuplado-suplada nila, they're interested. Maybe that's the way they flirt. Yeah. That's how they flirt, maybe. That's their way of flirting. Yung pagiging closed off. Yeah, they like you. Yeah, the King of Pentacles, in reverse the Ten of Pentacles. The Page of Chalices, they have a crush on you. They have a crush on you. Some of them, they're too young. Actually, they're too young. It's like, okay, wala akong magagawa dito. Masyado akong bata for you, Libra. They're not ready. Or maybe, hindi pa nila kaya. I think. Some of them, they have money issue talaga. Okay? So, money issue, pwedeng sobra silang gumastos, or hindi pa sila marunong mag-manage, or pwedeng wala pa silang perang sarili, mga ganun. Okay? So, there. Anyway, so we have here Capricorn, Fire, Aqua, Sag, and the Earth. Next, Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Who's stalking you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio, who is this person stalking you? Scorpio. The Emperor. A businessman, a businesswoman. Okay, the one who owns a business. Yeah. Oh, inelaborate pa eh, no? Oh, anyway, some of you, your boss stalking you. Someone who has a lot of responsibilities. Always busy, maybe. Some of them, they're guarded. What's with this Emperor? The Page of Chalices. Ooh, crush ka. Some of you, you have a boss na crush ka. Or pwedeng isang tao na napakadaming ginagawa sa buhay, yes, crush ka. They're stalking you. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. They like you. Okay, they like you. Some of you, meron kayong malaking age gap ng taong to. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. They can't commit. Actually, they can't. Some of them, may chance na may anak. Okay? Iba sa kanila, takot silang ma-reject, I think. I don't know why. Kung bakit nila naiisip yun ng ma-reject mo or may ignored. Some of them, nandun lang yung pride at ego niya. Kaya hindi nila kaya maging open. Because, yeah, they're afraid of the rejection, maybe. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reversed. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng, ang taong ito ay may kasalanan. Meron siyang kailangang sabihin, sorry. Okay, pagdating sa'yo. Pero hindi nila yun sasabihin, hindi nila yun babanggitin. No. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng issue ng taong to sa past. Okay? Yeah. Sa ngayon, puro business or pamimera, career ang inaatupag niya. Okay? So, iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng may anak kayo nitong taong to. Gusto niya na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos, pero hindi ko nakikita na gagawin niya eh. Hindi siya marunong umamin sa mga kasalanan. Hindi siya marunong umako. Okay? So, hahayaan na lang niya to. Yeah. Pwedeng asawa mo to. Or your other half nga. Okay? Pwedeng may nangyari na hindi maganda. So, now they're regretting it. Some of you, iniwan ka nito. May anak kayo. Ini-stalk ka niya. Pwedeng humihingi ng tulong from other people or maybe you have mutual friends, families. Okay? Doon siya nakuha. Kung ikaw ay binlock or binlock mo to, parang ganyan. Kumukuha sila ng opinion from other people about you. Kung ano bang meron sa iyo, ano bang balita na sa iyo. Okay? So there. So we have here Earth, Water, and Aries. Okay, next. Sagittarius. Hi. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sagittarius placements. Who's your stalker? Who is your stalker, Sag? The Six of Chalices. Pwedeng importante sa'yo tong taong to. Naging importante. Naging parte ng buhay mo. Pwedeng friend mo, pwedeng past lover, an ex. Okay? Nagkaroon kayo ng malalim na connection ng taong to. Oh, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. May nangyaring miss opportunity sa inyong dalawa. I think this is your ex stalking you. Okay? May nangyaring miss opportunity sa inyong dalawa, maybe, or a false start. What's with this Ace of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, a false start. Yep. Ikaw itong sabihin nating kung sino man itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo, malaki ang panghihinayang niya sa ngayon. They miss you, actually. Sabihin nating nagbibigay ka ng magandang memory. Okay, isa kang parte ng past niya. Naging malaking parte ka ng past niya, I think. Yeah, the Five of Wands in reversed. Some of you, sa totoo lang, kung sino tong mga to, pwedeng may chance na humiram sa'yo to ng pera. Okay? Yung iba, nanghiram ng pera sa'yo. Pero hindi pa nagbabayad. So, sino to? Yung mga nangutang sa'yo, ini-stalk ka. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, the Magician in reversed. Alam mo ang sinasabi, sana nalimutan ni Sagittarius. Namutang ako sa kanya. Siguro na nalimutan na niya. Kasi parang hindi na niya ino-open up sa akin. Something like that. Yeah. May responsibilidad sa itong taong to na tinalikuran. Okay, tinalikuran niya. Tinalikuran, pero hindi nalimutan. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Diba sa inyo, naaalala ka lang nito kasi pwedeng may ginawa kang something na pwedeng finance na tulong as support. Parang may ganyan, naaalala ka nila. So, ini-stock ka nila. Okay? I don't know kung bakit hindi sila nag-reach out. So, siguro nahihiya. Okay? So, yeah. We have here earth and water. Next, Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn placements. Who's stalking you right now? Okay. Who's stalking you? Capricorn placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who is your stalker? Capricorn. Another Capricorn? A fellow Capricorn? Your boss? Maybe the King of Pentacles? What's with this King of Pentacles? Who's this? The Nine of Pentacles. Napakayaman naman itong taong to. Napakayaman daw talaga. But yeah, they're stable. Some of them, they are businessman, a businesswoman. I think they own a business. Okay? They're stable. May pera. Sumisigaw dito, may pera tong taong to. They're stalking you. They're attracted, actually, pagdating sa'yo, Capricorn. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Chalices. May crush sa'yo. Attracted. They want to know everything about you. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. They want to know everything about you. They're curious. Okay? They find you so attractive, Capricorn. Or maybe vice versa. A fellow earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. Actually, itong taong to, gusto ko palagi nakikita. Gusto ko palagi nakakausap. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Pentacles, the Sun. Alam mo yung word na kapag hindi ko nakikita si Capricorn, hindi buo araw ko. Or kapag hindi ko nakakausap si Capricorn, hindi buo araw ko. Yeah, that's the one who's stalking you. Okay? Nababaitan sa'yo tong taong to, sa totoo lang. Yeah, the Queen of Chalices. May na-in-love dito, Capricorn. May nafo-fall, actually. May nafo-fall dito. They want to communicate palagi. They want consistency. Pagdating sa inyong dalawa, gusto niya yun. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Grabe naman paghanga nito sa'yo. Grabe. You find this person interesting, I think. You find them interesting. Okay? Some of them, they're guarded. They're too serious. Yeah. Too serious. Sobrang busy rin. Okay, all about victory, all about success. Ayun ang gusto nila eh. I don't know why they're stalking you. Pwede yun nga, attracted sa'yo. They want to know everything. Yeah, they're into their business. Some of you felt a strong connection with this person. Okay, the Two of Cups. Yeah, ang tawag diyan. Ang gandang kasama, parang ganun, parang magaang kasama, something like that. Nagva-vibe kayo. Vibing, jive. Ano daw? I don't know. So, anyway, some of them, nagsasabi ng kung anumang stress meron sila. Okay? Yeah, the magician. Anyway, some of you, may takot sa'yo itong taong to. I don't know why. Masyadong marami ng energy ako nakukuha. Anyway, so we have here air, earth, fire, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay? Next, Aqua. Okay, Aquarius. Hi! Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, who's stalking you? Who's stalking you, Aqua? Who is stalking Aquarius? Placements. Who's your stalker? The King of Swords. A fellow Aqua? Or a fellow air sign? Gemini, Libra, Aqua. What's with this King of Swords? The Four of Wands. The Queen of Wands. Some of them, they're already committed. Actually, already in a commitment. Okay? Some of them, kasal. Yeah. Ano meron dito? Four of Wands. The Knight of Chalices. They're held back. Somebody is so silent, cold, detached, maybe. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reversed. Hindi nila sinasabi kung anong emosyon nila for you, I think. Pero they like you, actually. This person likes you. Pero napakatahimik niya, cold. So maybe, iba nga, kaya ganun, pwedeng meron silang kakonect. Or pwedeng nakikita ka nila na ikaw is may kakonect. Okay, they see you someone na pwedeng attractive, stable, na pwedeng sabihin natin, oh no, baka ma-reject ako nito. Okay? So they're being scared, being afraid. Yeah, the Six of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. The Judgment. Hindi ka para tingin niya sa'yo Yeah. Tingin niya sa'yo yung parang, okay, I don't need someone. Okay, I can buy myself flowers. Parang ganun. Yung energy. Yun ang tingin niya sa'yo actually. Okay? Yung parang kahit sino, i-reject mo. Yeah. This person likes you. They like you. Alam mo, Aqua, eto na, nahimik lang tong taong to pero every time na nakikita niya na meron kang kausap, something like that, may nakikita siyang ibang picture, kasama ka, or may mga kasama kang tao sa picture, they get jealous. Okay? Nagsiselos siya. Yeah. I don't know. So, hindi ka masyadong binibigyang pansin ng taong to, sa totoo lang. Para silang nag-a-admire sa'yo ng tahimik. Tahimik lang din nila para sabihin sa'yo, I think. Parang ganun, okay? They like you. Sa totoo lang, super. The Wheel of Fortune and the Judgment. Okay, so we have Scorpio, fire, water, fire, aqua. So Pisces. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces placements. So, who's this person stalking you? Who's this person stalking Pisces placements? Who are they? The Two of Swords universe. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with this Two of Swords universe? The Eight of Chalices. The Four of Swords. Some of you nagkaroon kayo ng separation or breakup ng taong to. Now they want to return. Some of you hindi mo pa rin totally nadidetach yung energy mo from this person, I think. Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles universe. Yeah, the Three of Chalices. Pwedeng may nangyaring separation because of a third party involved. Okay, so may chance na ini-stalk ka niya. Yeah, the Magician universe. Yeah, the Lovers universe. The Three of Wands. So may nangyaring separation because of a third party involvement. The Magician, nandyan yung energy ng sabihin nating pwedeng niloko ka nga. Okay? Ito yung taong nagloko sa'yo, pero hindi mo pa rin magawan-gawa ng paraang maalisa ng energy. So, yun yung nag-i-stalk. I don't know why. I don't know. So, okay. Let's see. Why are they stalking you? Why are they stalking you? Some of them, tinitingnan nila if you're still open for them. I think. Kasi nga, may chance na gustong tong bumalik. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Kung may pag-asa. Kung may pag-asa pa ba? Kung pwede pa ba na may mag-start muli. Okay? Tinitingnan niya kung ano bang meron sa'yo sa ngayon. Kung ano bang ginagawa mo. Gusto nila makakuha ng idea kung anong meron sa'yo sa ngayon. Okay? Yeah. Ten of Wands inverse. Ayaw nito na mag-struggle or ayaw niya na gagawa siya ng sobrang daming effort for you. Parang gusto lang niya mag-hi. Hello. Parang ganyan. So, may chance, iba sa inyo, kung sino man tong stalker na to, may chance na mag-reach out. Okay? May chance na mag-reach out. Hindi nyo inaasahan to. Okay, a past person, pwedeng mag-reach out. Because, yeah, they're stalking you. I don't know, like, they want to know everything about you right now. Parang ganun. Okay? So, yeah, we have here Virgo, water, and air. Okay? So, there. Some of you, alam nitong taong to na still, gusto mo pa rin siya. Yun ang tingin niya. Okay? Napaka-arrogant. Anyway, so, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!